Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, I also rise to participate in this very important motion that has been brought by Honorable Member from Lyngba, that this House will now discuss the style and functioning of PHE department with special emphasis on the ongoing Tyllong water supply project and Jal Jeevan mission in Mayral constituency. Since this motion, it touched with the style and function of the PHE department, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the government, to the PHE department, with a special mention to the Jal Shakti Ministry of the Government of India. In the past 5 years, there are several schemes that has been sanctioned through the PHE department to different level, be it from the state scheme, be it from RIDF, be it from other central sponsored scheme, but the state has benefited, and even my constituency in particular also, it has benefited a lot. And I'm very thankful the way the PHE department, it has taken a positive step, especially with regard for volunteering the Swachh Bharat mission. In different villages, in different locality, we have seen that the department voluntarily went from village to village in conducting different awareness of cleanliness and other social activities, which is very important for the state as a whole. It has taken special emphasis for making community toilet in different market in the rural area. And I'm happy, even in such a census town also, this initiative has been taken for the benefit of the people at large. With the commission of the Jal Jeevan mission in the state, you can see there is a ray of hope. Even though there are loopholes here and there, especially when we go back at the 3 pattern of the Jal Jeevan mission in implementing this scheme in different villages for providing functional tap in each and every household. And we have seen there is a ray of hope, even though, as I have been mentioned, the loopholes, especially it lies with those villages which has been sanctioned under retrofitting, where only the in-village, in-house connection has been done, but the traditional source and the main pipeline still remain the same. With regards to augmentation scheme, I can say that it is 50-50, where the in-house connection tap has been done. At the same time, few renovation for the CWR or for the main line is being done for the benefit of the people at the ground. Mr. Chairman, sir, with regards to the complete new scheme, I hope that there is no complaint at all. It is a great help for the people of the state, and especially for me as a local legislator from Nong Po. The Greater Nong Po Water Supply Scheme has been sanctioned at the cost of more than 100 crore, which include of 18 villages. Where during that time, sir, Mr. Chairman, sir, you were the Honorable Minister in charge PHE that time. You came by yourself for the laying of the foundation stone. I'm so thankful to you, to the Chief Minister, for the government as a whole. Because in the past few years, there are guidelines that JJM scheme cannot be implemented in census town. Nong Po is a census town. But keeping in mind the initiative taken by the government, by the official of the PHE department who work day and night to ensure that water, safe drinking water has to reach to each and every household. So I'm very happy that this scheme has been sanctioned for the benefit of 18 villages, not only in my constituency, another 4 villages it falls in Umsning constituency. They have benefited, and I have full hope. And I wish all the best to the department, that it can do well. All the new scheme that has been sanctioned under Jal Jeevan Mission in the state, they will be commissioned on time. Keeping in mind, as I have said in my remark in the beginning, to have special emphasis on those villages where the scheme has been sanctioned under retrofitting and even augmentation also. If not from JJM, also from other source. Because it is the fact that few villages where the source and the main line has not been touched in the retrofitting. So that's why it is very important to revisit, to see that those villages under the pattern of retrofitting and augmentation will have a relook, so that people won't have a chance to say that the pipe has reached at home, but there is no water. So through this motion, I would like to bring to the notice of the concerned department through you, Mr. Chairman, sir, to look into this aspect. And I must say on record that the Jal Jeevan Mission, with the slogan that Har Ghar Mein Jal, sponsored by the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India, it has been a great help and support for the state. I'm not saying that 100% it will solve the problem of water crisis once and for all. The Greater Tyllong Water Supply Scheme issue, in other important towns of our state, there are many issues. But we hope that through this motion, we can put forward through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, that the government, the department will take cognizance of many issues that has been put up. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to take part in this very important motion. I hope that the PHE department will do well, and I wish all the best for the concerned minister, for all the officials of the PHE department, so that we can see better future and days to come. Thank you. I resume myself. Thank you.
Thank you.